adding rational algebraic expressions. So yung denominator ay magkaiba. So ang gagawin, i-factor muna natin yung denominators. So copyin yung y. So yung factor nito ay y minus 3 and y plus 3. So yung 3 minus y, ilagay natin, i-interchange natin. So negative y, positive 3. So and then kopyahin lang ulit, y minus 3, y plus 3. So ito, so ilabas natin yung negative. So ito ay magiging negative y minus 3. So paano nangyari yun? So ganito lang yan. So from negative y plus 3, so labas natin yung negative. So negative y divided by negative is positive y. Positive 3 divided by negative is negative 3. And then yung negative minultiply sa positive, kaya naging negative dito. At ayan, kinopya lang. So ngayon, para makuha yung LCD, so kopya natin yung y minus 3, y plus 3 at y minus 3. So may dalawang magkapareho. So kopya na lang yan. At yung isa. So ang LCD natin ay ito lang. Y minus 3, y plus 3. LCD. Okay, so y plus 3. So i-divide dito. Y plus 3. Quantity y minus 3 divided by this one. So magiging 1 na lang. So 1 times y. So dito naman, so wait lang, parang ganito lang yan, no? Kopya ng LCD at kopya yung denominator. So cancel. So 1 na lang natira. Kaya naging 1 dito at i-multiply sa y. Dito naman sa kabila, kopyahin ang LCD at denominator. So may natira tayo na y minus 3. So kopyahin yung minus and yun, no? Y plus 3 times 3. Okay, 1 times y is y, and ito 3y at 9. O ganon, over, kopyahin. So bring down y, distribute natin yung minus, negative times 3y, negative 3y, negative times 9 is negative 9. Okay, so y minus 3y equals negative 2y minus 9. Then, so factor natin to, ilabas ang negative. Negative 2y divided by negative is positive 2y. Negative 9 divided by negative is positive 9. And copy lang. So, ito yung sagot.